I'm Merryn Rae and I just finished the FdSc Film Production Technology course at Confetti. I've been at Confetti for 2 years and it has flown by. I've learned so much in those 2 years, it feels like a lifetime, but when I look back at how long it's really been, it's gone by in a heartbeat. A lot of the first year involves getting to know the cameras, the science of the cameras, why we do what we do, the history of film. The second year is applying that in sort of genre settings and adding applied filmmaking techniques like green screen and Steadicam stuff to your work as well. At Confetti, the primary work experience I've got is mainly through Knots TV. I've done a lot of volunteer experience from Knots TV, and as I was told in the awards, I've done over 100 Knots TV shows, which doesn't feel like it. But also through Confetti and Spool, I've got 1 or 2 little client projects that have sort of kept me going and built up my show reel. I can't praise Confetti enough. The tutors here really take the time to help you progress, and they show you different areas to go to if you're struggling, and they genuinely will give you a lot of your time if you show that you're really driven and you really want to make this your career. The Confetti Degree Showcase is a showcase where all the students at the end of the year come together to show off their work. So at the Degree Showcase this year, I was really proud of the work I showed off, and it was great to see other industry professionals that Confetti had invited taking interest in my work as well.